Imagine making $5,000 within the next 30 to 60 days by using free tools that you already have access to with no upfront costs, no excuses. Let's get into it. It's 2025, and you are tired of watching other people, small business owners, or those who just have side hustles get on the internet and start making money with additional streams of income, and you're just wondering, when is it ever going to be my turn? This video is for you because what we're talking about is three tools that you can use starting today in order to start making money online. I mean, I'm talking up to $5,000 within the next 30 to 60 days. Hey there, I'm Paris, and I help new and aspiring entrepreneurs turn their dreams into income by simplifying the process of starting and growing their business. And today we are jumping into how you're going to make your first $5,000 within the next 30 to 60 days by utilizing free tools like Canva, YouTube, and ChatGPT. So stick with me because by the end of this video, you're going to have a clear roadmap on how to get started. And I'll be dropping a new resource that I have that's going to help you take action today. Okay, so why digital products? Here's the reason why you want to consider digital products, because digital products carry no inventory. It literally can cost you $0, sometimes a little bit more, but mainly $0 to create. You create it one time, and once it's created, literally it lasts forever. You can sell these products 24/7 without having to physically pack and ship and do all of the things to get the physical product into the hands of your customers. So, digital product is the best way to start, especially if you are a newbie, or especially if you have an existing business where you're either providing a service or selling a product and you want to add an additional piece of inventory or additional product to your product line that is going to be effortless and that's not going to take you a lot of work. So, here's some examples of what I mean when I say digital products. Digital products are things like ebooks, courses, guides, planners. I mean, even if it's like a mini course where you're sending out a series of emails, those are digital products. They live on the internet, right? Even YouTube, you're watching a video. This is considered a digital product. So, digital products are literally the wave right now. And it's something that if you haven't taken advantage of, you definitely want to. Now, it's not a new phenomenon. Digital products have existed for a really long time. However, a lot of business owners are now starting to find out ways to implement it and add it to something that they already are doing. But if you are new, it's a great way to get your feet wet, okay? Because I'm speaking from experience. I started several businesses and they were all physical product based business. And one of the main things that we don't typically talk about a lot of times is the upfront cost. I mean, you have to pay for the inventory. You have to pay for your shipping materials. You have to even buy the little tags and the labels and the packaging, okay? So it can be a lot. And you have to keep track of all of those things. You have to track your inventory when certain things are running too low. And if you've ever had a physical product based business where you've had to purchase inventory, you know there's sometimes inventory doesn't sell. So you're sitting with things and you have to discount it. You may end up at a loss. Digital products eliminates all of that. We're going to get into how you can use free tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and YouTube in order to get started today. Okay, so we're starting with the first tool, which is ChatGPT. And if you haven't heard of ChatGPT, I don't know where you've been. You've probably been under a rock. Literally, ChatGPT is a phenomenal AI assistant that I like to call my little sidekick, because it literally can help you start and finish. It gets you from A to Z. You can use ChatGPT to do things like brainstorm whatever product you want to create, also organize your product, and it'll even help you understand your target audience and what their pain point is. Because in order for you to run this play, you need to understand and know who you're talking to, who you're targeting, what is a problem, what is the biggest problem they're having right now, and how you can help them solve it. Some of you are probably saying, I don't really know what to do. I don't have any skills. There's nothing that I can create a digital product about. And let me tell you, let's just simplify it. Let's just say that, you're someone who loves to cook and people are always raving about your cupcakes, right? And they're always asking you, hey, can you make cupcakes? What is the recipe? Like, they always taste so good. And listen, a lot of people are not good at baking, and most of us are not going to go on YouTube and find a tutorial, So the problem is for that person is they love what you have to provide. They love your cupcakes and they probably want to learn from you. How do you make these cupcakes? How do you make them taste so good? What's the recipe? You know what I mean? So, what you would want to do is determine who is the audience. The audience is people who don't know how to bake. Maybe they know how to like cook on the stove, but they don't know how to bake, right? They don't know how to bake, but you have the secret recipe. You have your special tools, your special products, the things how you like to warm your oven, whatever your thing is. And what you're going to do is you're going to go on Chat GPT and you're going to tell Chat that, hey, this is my audience. My audience does not know how to do A, B, and C. I want to create a digital product to help them. What are some of the products that I can create to help solve their problem? You see how that works? So you can use this free tool, ChatGPT, to help you brainstorm ideas. And once it gives you an idea, the second thing you're going to do is you're going to ask ChatGPT to help you create that product, right? So literally, here's the example. The chat gives you a list of different things that you can provide. The first thing might be a pretty much a recipe including all of the shopping, your shopping list, all of the products, the measurements, and different things like that, right? So if it's like a guide that ChatGPT suggests that you provide to that audience, then you can tell ChatGPT to help you create the guide. But this is the tea. This is the sauce. This is how you get the best output from ChatGPT. What you're going to tell it is you're going to put into your prompt. Okay. ChatGPT, ask me all of the questions you feel that I need to answer in order to make sure that this product is comprehensive and that it includes all the details that you think my audience is going to ask. And what you'll notice is it's going to spit out a list of questions. And what your job is to do is to answer all of those questions thoroughly. Okay. And once you answer those questions thoroughly, the chat is going to kick out your digital product, okay? And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to hop over into Canva and you're going to put your digital product together. Now that you're over in Canva, if it has created a free guide for you, what you can do is now Canva is free. It definitely is free. There is a paid version, which opens up a lot more features, but we're not there yet. Okay. We're just getting started. Okay. So in Canva, you're going to go into templates and you're going to type in guide. You can even type in a cooking guide or a recipe guide, and it's going to kick out some templates for you. Here's the thing, you do not want to recreate the wheel, meaning you do not want to build this thing from scratch. You want to use a template. Templates have been proven to already have the aesthetic, to already have a look that is going to be eye catching and appealing to whoever your audience is. So once it kicks out that template, you're going to take the information that ChatGPT created for you and you're going to begin to plug it in. Okay. You may need some photos. Canva also has photos. So you may need some photos. Canva also has photos that you can plug into your guide in order to create a very aesthetically pleasing product that your customer is going to want to read. Okay. And if you are really setting yourself up for success, you can even record little mini videos of you measure how you measure your flour, right? The bowls that you use, how you stir, if you whip by hand or if you use a mixer. You can create little mini videos and also add it into the product to make your product stand out from the rest, because it's not going to be a boring e-guide or ebook. It'll be interactive, right? And what will happen is your customers will love it, because you'll be able to tell them that I've also included many videos on how I create my special cupcakes. Okay, so after you've created your product, the next thing is you're going to do is you're going to price your product. I believe the sweet spot is around $37 for a product like that. And what you're going to do is you're going to get on YouTube, right? That is our third free platform. And that's where you're going to market your product, right? Now, some of you might be thinking, well, I don't have any followers and I don't even have a YouTube. Well, I'm sure you have a YouTube account because you're watching this video on YouTube. But what you're going to do is you're going to create videos, okay? I'm going to suggest that you create 10 videos, right? And in these 10 videos, you're going to be talking about the art of baking, how you bake, the products you like to use, how you like to heat your oven, how you like to measure things, or the stores you like to go to, or the products you get on Amazon to bake. What you're gonna literally pour your heart out in your YouTube videos and explain to your audience that this is something that they can use in order to get the result that they're looking for. Now, the reason why I said create 10 videos, it may sound like a lot, but here's the thing. These are free resources. It hasn't cost you anything to come up with the idea or the product, right? This marketing play is not going to cost you anything either, but you're going to need to put in a little work. So 10 videos, okay? But what you're going to do is go back into Chat GPT and you're going to say, Chat GPT, I am creating 10 videos about my product to help me educate my audience. And at the end, I want to give them a small or slight call to action to purchase my cooking guide. Okay. So what you're going to do is tell ChatGPT, this is my audience. My audience is someone who's aspiring to bake, but they've never baked before and they don't know what to use. They don't know what products to buy, right? And then you're going to tell ChatGPT that I'm going to create a series of 10 videos in order to encourage my audience to either purchase the product or learn more about the product, right? And what ChatGPT is going to do is spit out a list of 10 videos, okay? It's going to give you the title. It may even give you thumbnail suggestions or hashtag suggestions. And what you're going to do is begin putting those videos out. And you're going to do it consistently for a consistent 5 days. Then you'll take a day or two break and then come back and do the next 5 videos. The reason why you're doing this is because you want to season the YouTube algorithm so they know that this is why you're showing up and these are the people you're talking to. So as they suggest your videos to their viewers, they know which viewer to suggest the video to. And if you are specifically talking to those people who are looking for ways to bake, they're going to be attracted by your video. Okay, so let's talk about where you're going to place this product. You're going to place the link to your product inside of the description, right? And what will happen is, let's say your videos are beginning to average about 500 or so views. There's going to be a percentage of those viewers who are going to click on your link. So let's just say the percentage of those viewers is about 10%, right? So with 500 views, 10% is about 50 people, right? Let's just say 50 people are now on your site and 20 of them actually purchase your $37 product, right? So from that, you just made $750. Now, if you do that 6 more times, there's your 5,000, right? So what we just did was walk through how you can use 3 free tools: Canva, ChatGPT, and YouTube in order to sell your products. You can do this without even being monetized, okay? It's really not about monetization. You can get monetized on YouTube, but you can also start making money on this platform before that even happens. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, I don't have time to do all of that. I don't even know if it'll even work. And here's the thing, it's all about your mindset. The hardest part is literally starting. If you don't start, if you don't take the first action, you'll never see. You will literally never know. How would you know if you never gave it a try? There are people on the internet and they are making money every single day because they took the first step and then they took the second step. This video right here is for action takers. If you are an action taker, or if you are tired of watching other people do this and you can only hope and dream that one day you will, listen, this is for you. I'm going to put a resource inside of the description, and it's a limited time resource. And this is a product that I use to help me actually get started. It's literally helping so many people make thousands of dollars online. And I know it will help you as well. I know it will. Literally, because here's the thing. Once you get the idea to start making money online, or to start a business, or to start a side hustle, the next thing you need to do is get educated, right? Now, you can learn a lot on YouTube. Absolutely. But after you learn a few things on YouTube, where's your accountability, right? Where's you don't have anyone who can literally hold your hand and help walk you through it, or even answer your questions, because a lot of times the creators are not in the comment section answering your questions. So after you decide that you're going to take action and that you're going to get started, the next thing that you need to do is get educated, meaning you may need to invest in a course. You may need to invest in mentorship, right? And so after you get educated, the next thing you're going to need is a community, a community of like minded people who are saying, hey, I'm on the same journey as you. I'm on the same road as you. And together, I know if I can win and she can win and he can win, we all can win. So that's why I'm putting this resource in the description box. If you've made it this far in the video, click that link. Go ahead and take advantage of what I have to offer, because if it's changing my life and it's literally helped me make steps and steps and steps and even add additional income into my bank account, I know it'll help you as well. That's the video for today. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new, I want you to click the subscribe button. I want you to drop a comment down below and let me know how you're going to use this information this year to get started. No excuses, no more sitting on the sideline, no more waiting and watching everyone else go past you and make money. This year is your season and it's your time. And God is calling you to come up to another level in your finances by adding another additional stream of income. So that's all I have for today. Thank you so much. Catch you on the next one. Peace.